Hello. In the question we have given that an airplane takes off attempting to fly at 50 meters per second. So the velocity of plane is given, that is 50 meters per second airplane. So due north, so it is towards the north. A 16 meters per second headwind begins to blow in the direction of 30° south of east. So we have this velocity of wind, that is 16 meters per second south of east. So it is 30° south of east. So pushing airplane, of course. So what is the actual speed of plane due to this headwind? So let us see. Let us have look vectorially how this looks like. So we have this system over here, the coordinate system. So now in this coordinate system, we will be placing over here. So this is east, we know, this is north, this is west, and this is south. So we only require, so let me draw with blue color. So this one is the velocity of the plane, which is due north, and the velocity of wind will be somewhere over here at 30°. So this angle, so this is the velocity of wind, and this is 30°. So, and this diagram is not up to scale. So this complete angle will be 90 plus 30. So let us call this angle theta as equal to 120 degrees. So the angle between VP and VW is 120. So we can find out the resultant. So the resultant velocity will be equal to square root of Vp square plus Vw square plus 2 times of Vp Vw into cos of 120 degrees. So now just plug the values and we get Vr. So it will be square root of Vp is 50, so it is 50 square plus this is 16 square, so plus 2 times of 50 times 16 into cos of 120 is minus 1 by 2, so it is minus 0.5. So if we calculate this, so this will be, so this is 500. 500 square is 2500 plus this is 256 minus 2 into 15, 50 into, so 2 into 50 is 100, 100 into 16 is 1600, and into half is 800. So this will be minus of 800. So this will be square root of 1956. So this Vr will be square root of 1956. So from here Vr we will get it as 44.22 meters per second. So this is the resultant velocity of the plane. I hope you find the solution useful. Thank you.